sorry.
Big disappointment. She went to second tree. Can I make my home in your branches?
Yes, you can.
After some days, rainy season arrived, and one day, a flood came. And first tree was broken. In taunting way, seeing broken tree. See, this is your karma. You didn't give me shelter. God has given you punishment.
I knew I am not surviving this rainy season. That's why I refused you. I don't want to risk yours and your children's lives.
And she realized that she was wrong. We as a humans are really quick when it comes to judging others. In most cases, we don't even know the